Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to Amicalola Falls State Park, a hidden gem nestled in the scenic landscapes of Georgia. Join us on a virtual journey as we discover the breathtaking beauty of this park, renowned for its stunning waterfall and serene surroundings. Our adventure begins at the crown jewel of the park, Amicalola Falls. Towering at over 700 feet, this cascading waterfall is a sight to behold, plunging into a tranquil pool below. Marvel at the sheer power and natural splendor of the falls as you stand in awe of this majestic wonder. Explore the park's network of hiking trails, which wind through lush forests and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. From leisurely strolls to challenging treks, there's a trail for every level of hiker to enjoy. Immerse yourself in nature's embrace as you wander along babbling creeks, under towering trees, and past picturesque vistas. Pause at scenic overlooks scattered throughout the park to capture the beauty of Amicalola Falls from different vantage points. These viewpoints offer panoramic vistas of the waterfall and the surrounding forest, providing the perfect backdrop for photos and moments of reflection. Take a deep breath, soak in the scenery, and let nature's tranquility wash over you. Keep an eye out for the park's diverse wildlife as you explore its pristine habitats. From colorful songbirds to elusive deer and other woodland creatures, Amicalola Falls State Park is a haven for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Bring your binoculars and camera to capture sightings of these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. Find a shady spot along the creek, or at one of the park's picnic areas to enjoy a peaceful outdoor meal surrounded by nature's beauty. Pack a picnic basket with your favorite snacks and refreshments, and savor the simple pleasures of dining al fresco in the great outdoors. It's the perfect way to recharge and reconnect with loved ones amidst the tranquility of Amicalola Falls State Park. For those seeking a more immersive experience, consider staying overnight at the park's charming waterfall lodge. Nestled amidst the forest and overlooking the falls, this rustic lodge offers cozy accommodations and modern amenities for a comfortable stay. Wake up to the soothing sounds of nature and step outside to greet the day with a sense of peace and serenity. Escape the hustle and bustle of crowded parks and tourist attractions and discover the serenity of Amicalola Falls State Park. With its lesser-known status compared to other parks in the region, you'll find ample opportunities to enjoy nature's beauty in peace and solitude. Whether you're seeking a quiet retreat or an adventure off the beaten path, Amicalola Falls awaits with open arms. As we conclude our virtual exploration of Amicalola Falls State Park, we leave with a deep appreciation for its stunning natural beauty and tranquil surroundings. Whether you're drawn to the awe-inspiring spectacle of the falls, the peaceful serenity of the forest trails, or the chance to reconnect with nature, this hidden gem offers something for everyone to enjoy. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and escape to the tranquil oasis of Amicalola Falls State Park. Adventure awaits.